Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about Java JFileChooser. The object of JFileChooser class represent a dialog window from which the user can select the file. So it's inherit the J component class. Here we just see like example open file. So we are going to make the scene like this. So here I just import a library of java x dot swing, and then I just create one another library of java dot awt dot events. Okay, and here's the important library, which is import java dot input and output. Okay, now we have the class of file chooser, so it will extends from j frame and then implements on action listener. Okay, now here I just write j menu bar, create the variable which is mb, then j menu, so the file j menu item which is open, and j text area which is ta for the text area. Now file chooser and create the method here, and then I just write open which is equal to new j menu item, and here I just write the string which is open the file. Now open dot add action listener, and the action listener is this, so file which is equal to new j menu, and here I just write the string which is file. So this is for the j menu, and then file dot add, and add here is I just write open. Okay, so I just add the open into the file. So mb which is equal to set, and the set here is not the set, I just write new mb which is equal to new j menu bar. So I just create the j menu bar. I just close this code here, and then mb dot set boundaries, and the set boundaries here are 0 0 800 200. Now I just add dot I just add this mb, so mb dot add, and add here is the file. Okay, so ta which is equal to, so ta dot set bound, and I just set the boundaries for this text area, and now I just create ta which is equal to new j text area. Okay, and here I just write 800x 800, so our text area is 800x 800, and then our this is 0 and 20 800 and 800. Okay, now I just add mb. Okay, now add dot ta. Now I just go to the public void and action performed, and here I just write action event which is e. exception if e dot get source which is equal to open. So j and j file chooser, which is fc mean file chooser, which is equal to new j file chooser, right? Now integer I is equal to fc means file chooser dot show open dialog. Okay, and dialog is this. Now here I just write if I which is equal to j file chooser dot approve option. So file f which is equal to fc dot get selected file. Okay, and then string file path which is equal to f dot get path. Okay, now try. So exception, when I just try this exception, so here I just write, so this is fc not fv. Okay, so try buffered reader, and which are br which is equal to new buffer reader. Okay, and here I just write new file reader and then file path. Sorry, it's file path. Close this code, then string s1 which is equal to empty string and s2 which is equal to empty string. Sure. So while it's a string here, while loop, and then here I write s1 which is equal to br dot read line, and which is not equal to null. Okay, so this is a method here, so which is not equal to null, and I just paste this in this one. Okay, now s2 which is the concatenation of s1, and then I just write a single line break. Okay, and here s1 plus single line break. Sure, and this is not equal to. Now here I just write ta dot set text which is s2, and then br dot close, and here I just write catch, and the catch exception here, so exception is exception ex, and then ex dot print stack trace, and we have the no arguments in the stack trace. Okay, now here I just go to the public means main method, public static void main, and then a string arguments. Okay, and here I just write file, so I just copy this file chooser and the file chooser, which is om is equal to, yeah, fb, which is equal to new file chooser. Okay, now fb dot set size, and the size here is, and the size is 500 x 500, and then fb dot set layout, the layout here is null. Then fb dot set visible, so the visible is true here, and then fb dot set default on close operation, so which is exit on close. Okay, so this is exit on close. Now our code is complete here, and exit on close. So I just write one bracket here, okay, and remove from here. Now I just run this code, and here you can see the file and the file open. Run this code again, and file open, and then I just write, go to the Eclipse workplace, Java Swing, source, Java Swings, and open this code. So you can see the output of this code is here. So this is a simple example of the file chooser in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture.